Hello friends, let's unbox this 24 inches Full HD monitor. The monitor comes with a power cable, a HDMI cable and a VGA cable. It comes in a nice thermocol packing. It's an IPS LED backlit monitor and has very less bezels on three sides. It has HDMI connector, a VGA connector and a power connector at bottom, and the menu buttons are on the right side. The power cable can be directly connected to the monitor without any adapter. The length of the HDMI cable is around 2 meters. The quality of the stand is not great. It feels like you are holding a cheap plastic. Let me connect the stand to the monitor. The overall looks of the monitor are great, and monitor can be tilted -5 to 23 degrees. It's a very slim monitor. Just the width of the panel is around 10 mm. Okay, you can see that it is 1920 by 1080 and supports 60 Hz. Let me play some video on the YouTube for you. I've placed the monitor in the room with sunlight. You can see right now this is connected to my laptop in clone mode. That's why it's not showing full HD resolution. Let me change the settings of multiple displays from clone display to single display. As you can see, after applying the single display configuration, the monitor can be set to full HD resolution. And the refresh rate can also be changed to 60 Hz. The images are sharp and text can be viewed without any issues. Let me just click on the menu button, which is on the right back side. The position of the menu can also be changed. you can change the horizontal and vertical position of the menu. Here you go. You can also adjust the transparency of the menu. In my opinion, definitely this is a good monitor. Thanks for watching my video. I would request you please subscribe and hit the like button. Please subscribe my channel for more updates. Thank you so much.